General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, snuck out the stocks. Monthly bullish premium array. I believe we got 700. What size is this? There we go. This is a monthly level. Current below, unlock this. Then previous month's high. It's our discount level. Then lock. Okay, weekly. Weekly we bullish. Next premium array will be really it'll be previous week high, which we gapped above. Just look at this. Is that lower? This is lower. Let's expand this to the right, just so I can see. Symmetrical swing right here, 691. I think the most significant is the 683. What is that? 52, 683 and 52 cents. This would be daily. And what is this? The 0 point. It's the 786. No, this a weekly level, not a daily. Then this is a weekly level. 691.87. Daily one, which is a symmetrical swing. 691.87. Okay. So boom, we got some levels here. Discount array will be this gap. We'll lock this as well. Lock this. This is weekly. Okay. Next premium array will be fib. Discount array will be no week opening gap. Daily institutional order flow. It's bullish. We got our retracement areas. Bullish premium array will be it still will be another fib. I think this candle here is just out of control for levels, swings, and everything. I think this is enough because the next one we're pretty much at it. This one's too close to this one, and this one's too close to that one. So that's good. We'll keep this the same. We'll keep the same fibs. For discount array, we have to look at this gap. Here. What color? Oh, it closed me out my paper trade. Use one color. We're on daily now, so it should be yellow. We don't need this or that. We'll flip green because it's too close to the other color. Daily bullish, discount array. We have us a volume imbalance. That's not the weekly opening gap. Let's lock this. Now we're on the H4. Still bullish. Premium array. It's going to be previous week's high. Let's just put it on the week. So I don't have to guess. Current falling below 4 hour. It is this level. So we ain't on green no more. We'll go to blue. previous week's high. What do we have? Discount. Have us this is the up candle. Let's do the bodies. And let's do precision. So we'll grab this candle. Bullish break a block. Where's I think I took my order somewhere. Hold on. Now let me finish this. Let's take a look here. Above us, we really don't have much. Let's see what we got below us. Do we have us a mitigation block? It's kind of lining up with this breaker. It's just this zone itself. Liquidity void. Right here is a serious inefficiency. Let's get white. And what are the levels? Let's make this white. $6.75 to $6.74. So it's like $1. It's not a gap, big gap. So here, 675.91 to 674.23. The gap is inside of there. Then we have us a bullish order block. You can say this is order block because we sold here, then we pushed up here. This is the order block that created that swing. What day is this? Thursday. So boom. Any rejection blocks, long wicks that took liquidity here. So So for our PD array matrix, we got rejection block. I think this low is important too. O low. Hold high here. That pretty much takes care of the whole PD array matrix. It's bullish, so just look for buys. Hold on, let's make sure this is locked. All this other stuff. Lock. Lock. Daily should be locked. It is. Cool. No weekly's locked. For sure. Okay. Then H1 is just ready. O highs, O lows, levels here, order block here. It's not really no gap here. Rejection block here. Let's see what we got here. $10.27. Monthly order flow is bullish. What's next? 280 is next. $80. Then lock this. Then this is just the old monthly high. This is previous month's high. We have marked this. Don't need that. Let's just have this here. Yes. Oh, monthly high. Matter of fact, put the dotted line. And lock it. Next premium array is 280. Next discount array is technically the old monthly high. Look at weekly. Weekly level is previous week's high. We can do this too as well. We'll grab some of these on the way here. We do got 618 right above us, which is beautiful. 265. 91. What is this weekly? 0.618. Weekly is this color. $271.87. Weekly 0.786. Perfect. Here. Then this is just previous week's high, which we should gap above. And lock these. Discount, we got this volume rebalance just like on SPY. Previous month's high is there, so we don't need that. Lock this. Bullish. Fib. This is actually a new week opening gap because it's the weekly chart. Daily. Still bullish. Next premium array. It's the same. Next discount array is the volume imbalance. Here. I would target this down close. But it's not really a premium wick. Down close, closing price. Yeah, it should be on green now. Down. Down. Candle. Close. Down candle closing price is support price. And lock. Lock. Okay. Down candle close. 4-hour institutional order flow. Bullish. Next premium ray is the same. Discount ray. Do have us a 4-hour fair value gap. FG. Let's go to the H1 now. See what we're working with. Too many fibs. What's above price? Long wicks. Not really nothing. This is balanced. This is almost taken out. From an H1 perspective, this could be a bearish order block. Okay. Then we right on top of price. Old highs is already marked. We got that. No fair value gaps or nothing above price. Below price. to be our mitigation block. Those people who sold can't. Well, this actually be a breaker now because it flipped. No, it's just a mitigation. Breaker has to break structure. Boom. If it's bullish, it's a breaker. So boom. We already got this inefficiency here. There is no gaps of fairish order block. This could be a bullish order block, but it's kind of caught up with the breaker. Kind of some rejection block here. Okay. Can form fit this into order block, but it doesn't look strong to me. I think the only way this order block will work is if this is like OTE. Which it pretty much is. This is like OTE right here. Our first old low is here. The last high that we broke is here. So we break through a level, reclaim it, and buy up. It's good for a buy. Where's ourselves some liquidity down here? We go down there, we might as well take the low. And we're gonna gap up. Apple's not going nowhere. Even this retracement was too strong. Let's see here. Monthly's bullish. 1027. What's next on the monthly? $555.45, which is really all-time high, I believe. What's below me is really that old previous month's high. We're kind of playing with it. I think this month's low, since this monthly candle is almost done, it's going to be significant. Previous, it was about to be previous month's low, but current monthly low. Let's lock this and lock this. Discount rate, current monthly low, weekly order flow, bullish. Next premium array will be this old high. Weekly high. Lock this. What's next on the discount side? We do have this volume imbalance that does need down candles. Lock this. Especially if we have another up week and then we return down here. It's interesting. It's old weekly high, and then we got VI. Volume imbalance that needs sell side. This is locked and that's locked. To the daily, bullish. Daily. What's above us? It's a really crazy looking because this is up and this is down. It's a huge gap here. And then we also have a gap here. So we have some inefficiencies. Next premium way is a huge volume imbalance. And below us, we have a volume imbalance as well. Go to the H4. We have us a nice order block here. What do we have below us? That's our inefficiency. This is a push-up. This is the expansion that caused this push-up. This is a pretty big order block zone. We'll lock this and lock this. Still bullish. Bearish order block. Under this, we have us a bullish order block. Let's go to the H1. This is our kilogram. see above price. What do we have? Nope. We don't have us a breaker. We do have us an old high. Do have us. Well, this bearish order block will come before this old high. This is like a refinement. That's all we really got above price, this old high, this refinement for this order block. Don't really got a rejection block unless you want to mark this too, but okay. There are no lows above us. Cool. I don't know, what do we got below us? Yeah, I'll watch this area for mitigating sales. This is a huge up candle. I feel like this will be the old high. I will mark here. I would have to go with this to be the old low. You can watch this area as a breaker, but it's already mitigation, highs, lows here. We do have us a fresh gap here. I kind of like this as a sweet spot. Buying under a high, under a low. Nope, do none of that. Not nothing clean enough to say It's just a really clean bullish order block except for down here. No, see no rejection block. Got an old low, boom, and an old high. That's Microsoft. See here. $25. Amazon look good because it's actually at fair value. Next premium array will be previous month's high. And our next discount array will be previous month's low. Where's the lock button? There you go. Previous month's low. We're bearish on the weekly. We coming out of that. We just had a CSD. Next premium array is really an old weekly high. And I would say previous month's low, but really this old weekly open price, which would be like a weekly order block. Weekly bullish order block. Okay, what about here? Okay. So it's old weekly high and the weekly order block. The daily's doing what it's supposed to do. Do have us a nice cool little gap here. And on the discount side, I'll watch this. The last down day. I don't want to see buying here. And we have us a nice cool little gap here as well. And put this locked. So where we at here? Bullish. Bullish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. Yeah, that's about right. Next premium array, we do have a volume imbalance up there. Discount array, we have a order block down there. Yeah, H4 is bear still. Thanks premium array. Technically, it's the H4 order block right here. We kind of already in it. I'll take this one. It's the H4 bearish order block. Discount array. We do have this huge. This gap is huge. And I'll watch 50% of this. Lock this. Cool. So this was a bearish order block and a fair value gap. Bullish on the 1 hour. Lots of gaps, but it's pretty cool. Above price, what do we got? We sold here last. Minus order block here. That's basically all we got until we go crazy high. Cause we don't got no highs or lows. Here we got a high. This could be a breaker. Do we have a liquidity void? We got us a gap. Bullish order block. Be here. Okay. Don't got no rejection blocks down there. Old lows. Really right here. And it's paired with this order block. Alright, because November should be real good for stocks. Gotta start looking for some positions. I'll look at MU and Micron later. That's enough for now. I could finish that because I'm not charting all this stuff all the time. It's just looking for swings. Then I'll do crypto later too. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.